Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's episode of how to translate your favorite Chinese shopping applications, we're going to be talking about Taobao. Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to translate the entire Taobao application in English language so that you can easily shop, read your product descriptions and product reviews, and just know about the product you're buying easily by shopping in English language. Anyway, in order to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to launch your Alipay application. Okay, you're going to be doing this with Alipay. You're going to launch Alipay, and when you launch Alipay, you're going to click on account. Okay, when you click on account, you're going to be clicking on the settings icon at the top right hand corner, and after that, you're going to click on general. From general, you're going to click on translation tool. And when you click on translation tool, you're going to turn that on. Okay, when you turn it on, you're going to select English language as your preferred translation language. Okay, if you're a French speaker, you can choose French. If you're a Spanish speaker, you can choose the Spanish language. If you're an Arab person, if you're an Arab speaker, you can choose Arab. But for the sake of this video, we're using English language. Okay, so you're going to select English language, and after selecting English language, what you're going to do is you're now going to head back to the home page. And when you head back to the home page, you're going to click on more. Okay, when you click on more, it is going to bring you to the app center page. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the search bar at the right hand corner of the screen, and when you click on that, you're going to search for Taobao. Okay, you're going to search for Taobao, and after searching for Taobao, a list of options is going to come out. Okay, what you want to do is you want to click on the option that has the Taobao logo and the brand. It's like a brand. What should I call this? It says brand at the front, right? It has the Taobao logo, and at the front it says brand. Okay, you're going to click on that, and when you click on that, it is going to launch the Taobao mini program on your Alipay application. And what happens from here is that you can simply shop on Taobao. Okay, you can simply do your shopping on Taobao instead of having to you can simply do your shopping on the Taobao mini program rather, instead of having to use the Taobao application where you have to deal with the difficulties of translating the entire thing, right? Before I continue this video, I would like to let you know that if you're shopping in China and you need help with logistics, at VUNDOR, we'll provide you with our China warehouse address where you can shop and ship your products to. We'll help you consolidate and rearrange your products, then ship it down to your preferred country. And it doesn't matter if you live in Europe, USA, or any other part of the world. We'll get your products to you as long as there's a shipping route in your country. If you're interested in our service, my contact is in the video description. And yeah, this is how you translate your Taobao to English language. Okay, and let us assume you get bored of English language and you want to change the entire homepage, okay, to maybe French or Arab. You can just easily long click on the translate button. Okay, you're going to long click on that, and when you long click on that, you're going to click on go, and you're going to switch to which language it is that you prefer, and it is going to change. So yeah, that is simply how you translate Taobao. Okay, I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, click the subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications to be notified when I upload another video, and also share this video to someone that will find this helpful. And thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.